Good old thunk. You can't miss it. If you ain't never felt one, you hear people talk about it, you won't miss it. Get out of there. What's going on? It's a fish. I threw in the grass and was trying to get it out, and it is a freaking... You got these little pockets, these little holes right here. They love to sit in the middle of them and catch the bait coming in it and kind of ambush them into that circle. You got a creek flushing out here. It looks pretty good. Fish all around this creek because it's pumping out right now. Got to be a flounder or a redfish or something in here. This grass is starting to get some color back to it. Excuse me. That wind, guys, y'all see I'm fighting it, putting loops all up in my line, which kind of doesn't let the lure sink as normal. That loop kind of puts a little pull on it where it's not going down like it normally does. So you're really trolling that lure. But you get situations like that, just kind of hold your line close to the water if you're able to, and then bump it. I like mine working it up, but either way, it's caught flounder. I'm gonna go right down the center of this big boy right here. I'm making around this little knoll here. This should be protected from them. Oh, pines. Ooh. What we got? What we got? Old redfish hanging out in the old creek mouth. Check him out. Come here, buddy. Come on, might let you go. Guys, that old creek mouth had this old beautiful redfish. Look at this beautiful little fish right here. Dirty bots are hanging out of the mouth. Right here. Couple jiggles. Boom. That old cinnaburst. Gonna put them on the scale. I'm gonna let it go, but I just want to see how big it is. She is 15 1/4. Pretty good, buddy. See you later. That kind of makes me want to mosey my own way back to this old creek mouth. There are a few more times. There could have been a couple buddies with them. We're gonna back on up, even though this guy made all kind of racket. Well, if that wind lays down and gives me some time to work, I hope I can get some fish. Please lay down. Coming up back up to that creek mouth where I just caught that red. We're gonna swing a couple more times over there. Might be a few in there. See this bowl back here? Them bait getting that bowl. Ooh. Oh. That's a good flounder. He's in the woods. He's in the weeds. Come on, baby. You gotta get out of there. That's a good flounder. I caught him on the grass, and he's all up in the grass. I still feel him. He ain't shook off yet. Golly. Come on, buddy. Come here. Oh, it's a redfish. It's another redfish, guys. This one's a little bit bigger. I guess that guy did have some buddies with him in the creek mouth. Guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me working hard, but check that little chunker out on the fish bites, 30 spots. 4 spots, 5, 6 spots on this one. He's 17 inches, guys, so guess what? He's taking a ride. Alright, guys, I hope. It looks like it might get protected right in here because these trees will be blocking. It is tough right now. That's a good spot if there's a flounder. He should be in there. Come on. Gotta be kidding me. Uh-oh. Oh, he let go. I kind of figured it might be. That's even a better spot. Uh-oh. Well, gotta start somewhere, guys. The dirty spots are in them. Come here, buddy. Later, dude. Come on, let's get that last big one in here. There he is. God, look, a good one. That's what I needed. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. Oh. Okay. Another good one, y'all. Another 19 and a half. Good looking flounder. Just buy 30 boxers, guys. If you're not using them, you're missing out. Here we go with the wind. There he is. That's a good one, guys. That's a good one. That's a good one. Hey, hey, stay down. Come over here. Come here. Good eater. On the dirty botcher. What a beautiful flounder, guys. On a heck of a nasty day with wind and stuff. I'm still working that dirty botzer right on the edge of this grass line. As close as I can to it. Without getting snagged on anything. Here's a point right here we're coming on. A sharp point with a good current break around it. So I imagine somewhere right in, uh-oh. Oh, he grabbed it and dropped it. Let me back up a little bit. Something grabbed it and dropped it. I don't know if it's bait, redfish, flounder, but dang sure grabbed it and run. Yeah, that creek is flowing out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There's an, oh my goodness. That was a big one, right on the point. Will he bite again? Oh, he got it again, guys. He got it again. You bit it twice. You dummy. Come in there. Hey, come in there. I'm trying to lose you. You dummy. I'm trying to lose you. I'll probably throw this guy back. But we did get him to bite twice, which was definitely pretty cool. Hey, man. I'll let you hear yourself and let you go. Come out. There he is. There he is, dirty botzer. All up in his grill. Dirty botzer out. Good look at the flounder. In he goes. See you later, buddy. Uh-oh. There he is. Come on out of there. Get out of that grass. There we go. Another one. Come here. Oh my gosh. Good flounder, y'all. Oh, he dropped it again. Y'all are killing me. Y'all are killing me. What the what? Come on. Positive that was a flounder. Might be just a little past it. I'm just keeping that botzer just a couple bounces off the bottom, touching back up. Waiting for that thump. Good old thunk. You can't miss it. If you ain't never felt one, you hear people talk about it, you won't miss it. Get out of there. What's going on? It's a fish. I threw in the grass and was trying to get it out, and it is a freaking flounder. A good flounder. Oh my gosh, a good flounder. Oh my God. Y'all, I just threw in that grass and was pulling grass and pulling grass, and I thought it was pulling my kayak, but it started going out here, and this big flounder, dang, had gulped it up off that grass. Guys, look at that flounder. Let's put him on the board. I don't know if I got a 19 yet. So not too shabby of the day. I'm happy. I'm trying to see if I can bang one more big one before we get out of here on my way out. But guys, if y'all have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I'm about to reach 500 subscribers, and that's a big milestone for my YouTube channel. It leads into monetization too, so that's nice. If you like this video, smash that like button. I got more videos gonna come. I mean, I know where the fish are. I catch good fish. I'm gonna bring them to you, bring you out there with me, and try to go through a little bit as I'm fishing of how I can help you with some little stuff.